In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant on Xero using our 2025 step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get your accountant set up in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once you've accessed your dashboard, locate your organization name in the top left corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings and then Users. This will take you to the Users page where we can begin the invitation process. Now that you're on the Users page, look for the option that says Invite a User. Clicking on this will open a form where you should enter the email address of the accountant or person you wish to invite. For clarity, it's a good idea to also fill in their first and last name, although this step is optional. Moving on, we need to assign the correct permissions to your accountant. In the permissions section, make sure to tick the advisor role. Assigning this role will give your accountant and bookkeeper full access to essential items such as reports and journals, tax returns if they're enabled in your region, chart of accounts, and financial settings. However, keep in mind that this role doesn't grant access to payroll admin tasks unless you specifically select that option. You may also want to provide your accountant with additional permissions depending on their responsibilities. You can grant access to manage or view bank accounts, process payroll if applicable, or oversee projects and expenses. Choose based on what your accountant will manage for your business. With permissions set, it's time to review everything to ensure your accountant has the proper level of access. Once you're satisfied, click Send Invite. Xero will automatically send an email with an invitation link to the specified person. When the recipient clicks on this link, if they already have a Xero login, they can use it to sign in. If not, they'll be prompted to create a free Xero account. Once they accept the invitation, they'll appear under your users list as an advisor, ready to assist you with your financial tasks. Finally, remember that you have control over managing or revoking access at any time. Simply return to Settings and Users if you need to adjust permissions or remove access for any reason. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to invite your accountant to Xero to help you manage your business finances more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.